It's a really common issue. I fixed it more times than I can count. Notice the car behind me with the brake lights on? Well, that's a problem because I have the key right here. That car is off. If you ever got out of your car, car's off, and you realize that the brake lights are still on, well, you want to fix that quick, otherwise it's going to kill your battery. I'm going to show you exactly why this happens and how to easily fix it. My first clue comes, and this is very common, is little chunks of plastic down underneath the steering wheel and the pedal. So what these are is a remnants of little plastic bumper that is used right here. So right up in here, there is a switch. And this switch senses when the pedal is being pushed. When the brake pedal is released, it's supposed to come up and push this little button, which actually shuts off the brake light. The little plastic bumper is supposed to go in this little hole, and when the brake pedal is released, push this button to turn the brake lights off. Now, obviously, that little bumper is in pieces. So now the car thinks that the brake pedal is constantly being pushed, and it's activating those brake lights, even when the pedal is released. So we have to replace that bumper. So what you can do in the short term while you're going out to buy parts is just take a coin and shove it in between the switch and the pedal. And in most cases, that's enough to turn off your brake lights. If it's not thick enough, you might need to use something thicker. They do make specific bumpers just for this. In my experience, it's not a foolproof match. You just kind of have to go in, find a couple, try them out, and see which one fits best. Now, I had no luck with any of these Dorman designated pads. I even tried to modify this one a little bit, but they were just too big, weren't gonna fit. And the store didn't have any for this Hyundai that fit right out of the box. So I went to plan B, which was the self-adhesive furniture pads. I'm super happy with the results. That has a nice big surface to sit on. This adhesive is super sticky. I tried to get this off just for fun, and it's stuck on there. And it's the perfect thickness. When you push the brake, the button totally lets go. And then when you release the brake, it fully presses the button. Now, whatever you use to fix this problem, you just want to make sure that it's permanent. It's going to stay on that brake pedal, either sticky or jammed in that retaining hole, so that you don't have this problem again.